Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can change the country in Google Play Store. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to change your country in Google Play Store. Now, in case of Apple devices, it's really easy to change your country or region in the App Store, but in case of Android, it's a little bit tricky and you cannot do it in any kind of third-party way. So I will simply show you how you can change it. Now, there are a bunch of videos out there which ask you to install a VPN service or do something else in order to tweak the location and so on. But in this video, I will simply show you how you can change your country or region on your Google Play Store without having to do that. So first of all, simply launch the Google Play Store app on your phone. Once you launch the Google Play Store app, on the very top right hand side you can see your profile picture, and all you have to do is simply tap on your profile picture. As soon as you tap on your profile picture, you'll be able to see these options right on this page, and you have to go ahead and select the option which says settings. Now as you tap on settings, we're going to be basically taken to this page. At the very top you can find this drop down menu called General. Tap on the drop down menu to enable other menu options, and over here again at the top you'll find the section which is Account and Device Preferences. All you have to do is tap on Account and Device Preferences. Now you need to understand that in order to change your country on the Google Play Store, you need to be in that particular country and you have to set up a payment method on that particular country. So since I'm in Nepal, as you can see, country and profiles, you can see it says switch to this Nepal Play Store. And if I tap on add debit or credit card button over here, you'd basically be able to see it says change your Google Play country to your country. You want to be able to use your current payment methods or play balance, and you can't change the country again for 365 days. This change can take up to 48 hours to complete. Until then, you might not see prices in the new currency or be able to make purchases. And this is simply the way how it works. If you have to, or if you want to change the country, you have to enter the payment method of that country and make sure you are in that particular country. And if you change it once, you won't be able to change it for the next 365 days whatsoever. This is simply the way it works on Google. Go ahead and tap on the continue button once you confirm of that. Enter your credit card or debit card details, or you can also use Google Pay for example in order to go ahead and make the changes. We hope the video was really helpful and gave you some insights. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.